So hey everyone, in this video I will show you how you can install SSL for free in any website if the SSL is expired or what. So what is the importance of SSL? So SSL is encryption between the information that your audience share with you, okay, and it also help in encrypting the information that is shared between your audience and your server, okay. And every website should have SSL, and Google actually prefers those website, and it helps in ranking the website if you have SSL. So generally GoDaddy sell, or any hosting provider sell these things for free, okay, nowadays. But I will show you like how you can install SSL for free if your SSL is expired after a certain period of time, okay. And it's a very easy process, and you will go through each and each step, okay. So let me share my screen. And if you are new to this channel, oh, please subscribe it, because I will be posting stuff related to digital marketing and website design and everything related to technology in which I am good at, okay. So for example, this is the website, okay, prithvirajbuilders.com, and if I open it in my browser, Google Chrome especially, it will show a message to me like this is not SSL protected, okay, the warning sign that you see when you visit website. So I guess my internet is working properly or not, okay. Okay, so as you can see, this is the privacy error, okay. This is the privacy error that you will see in case if SSL is not installed in any website. So Google gives a warning whenever SSL is not installed, and it keeps user that it's some malicious sites. So if your website doesn't have the HTTPS and then your domain name, that it means that you need to install SSL, and it's very important. So I will also walk you through the cPanel part, okay. The cPanel is generally will be given to you if you have purchased hosting from any service provider, okay. So as you can see, if I go to the file manager where the files of our website are hosted, so as you can see, this is the website prithvirajbuilders.com, okay. And SSL is not installed. So what we will do is, first of all, we will have a email ID, okay. First of all, if this website has an email address, okay, that can be easily created in the email account section only. So let me Prithvi. So as you can see, this info@Prithviraj Builders has this email, okay, or is already created. Now I'm logging into this email address, okay. So webmail is by default is provided, okay, and everything is fine. So open my inbox. When I log in, open, okay. So this is the website SSL for free, in which we have to create our account for free, okay. And this is the webmail, and a lot of spam things are going on here. So register, we have to click on register, and by the email address which through which you want to create, just sign up with that, okay. So I'm using Prithviraj. I will have a password here, okay, and I will click on register, okay. And I guess they will send you a confirmation mail or what. So as you can see, I am logged in. Yeah, save the password, it's okay, and click on create new certificate. Now you have to enter the domain name. Also, this SSL for free provides SSL for 3 months, and after 3 months you have to renew the same process again and again. Also, if you do not want to repeat the process, then you can go for the 1-year validity SSL, okay. SSL for free also provide 1-year SSL, so for which you have to pay some amount, and if you do not want to do the process in again in 3 months, then you can do it, okay. Now we have to enter the domain name. Since I am using Cloudflare to use DNS management for the all kind of domain names that I am hosting, okay. So yeah, I have to put that domain name for which you want to have need SSL. Okay, so I will click on next step. As you can see, if I want a 90-day certificate or 1 year certificate, so you can this is 1 year certificate is a premium feature for which you have to pay, and 90-day certificate is like for free. Okay, now this is thing, as you can see, $10 per month you can have 90-day or 1 year certificates you can get just for $10 a month. Okay, but I'm using just a free one so that I can get 90-day certificates. Since the process is very easy to do, so you can do it. Also, many hosting providers provide SSL for free, but the hosting providers like GoDaddy do not provide this facility. So now they want the verification part for this domain name, and how they will verify is you have to use DNS. Okay, so what I prefer is using DNS because it's easy, and it's like easy to perform the DNS part, and it's happened quickly. Okay, so let me just go to the our DNS section and follow the exact instruction that they have mentioned to me. Okay, so as you can see, I have to copy the name. Okay, assigned to DNS provider. Typically the registrar of your domain, navigate to section of DNS record, and these all things. Since you must be using some DNS management tool for your domain name, so go log into that. I prefer using Cloudflare, which is easy to go, and I can handle multiple domain names, maybe 20 to 30 domain names if I have. Okay, if you are handling multiple clients. And what they are saying that you have to add a CNAME. Okay, so just click on add record CNAME, then this just paste it, copy and paste it, and point it to this. So just so I've just do it. Keep it off. Okay, there's some reason, that's why I keep it off. Okay, so as you can see, this has been added. Okay, and let me just refresh this inbox in case. So I've not got any email right now. Okay, so we will wait for like couple of seconds so that it get verified in the DNS part. Okay, and this is it. This is all you have to do is for domain verification, and after the domain verification it will show you a dialog box in which you can download all the certificates, and then I will show you how you can go to your cPanel. Okay, and then install the SSL. Okay, so I guess it's been few seconds that we have added the CNAME, and as you can see, we will again refresh this page. Okay, and verify, and then we will click on next steps and click on verify domain. Okay, and so as you can see, they are doing the domain verification because if it actually belongs to you or not. So as you can see, congratulations, your domain have been verified. This means that our system is issuing a certificate at the moment. So they will issue me 90-day certificate. Okay, which I can install on my website. Okay, and then it will not show this privacy error. Okay, so as you can see, just download the zip file from here. Okay, okay, so in my downloads folder I have downloaded the zip file, and I have to extract it, and then extract to Prithviraj Builders, and just do it. And as you can see, so a folder is created automatically, and now there are under which there are 3 files. Okay, so under which there are 3 files, and we will open each of the file with the notepad. Okay, and now you have to go to the home page of your cPanel. So yeah, we have landed to the cPanel. Now I will go to the SSL TLS thing. Okay, it's in under security. Now I will click on the manage SSL sites. Now for the since you must be having multiple domain names, so what you have to do, you have to select the domain name for which you want to install the SSL. So for this time I'm using Prithviraj Builders. Okay, so I have to select that domain name. Let me see. Yeah, I can see this prithvirajbuilders.com. Okay, and what now you have to do, now there are three things that I have to fill. Okay, and these three things are provided in the file that we have downloaded. So the first part saying is certificate. Okay, so certificate is this. Okay, so you just have to open with it notepad, and as you can see, you will see this mumbo jumbo, and just copy it and then paste it here. Okay, now now that you have done this, in the second thing is they are asking a private key. Okay, as you can see, there is a private key. It will automatically open with notepad, and yeah, it will go with private key, and then you have to install a CA bundle. Okay, so open with notepad, do it. Okay, so all these things are done. Then you have to click on install certificate, and it will install the SSL encryption on your website. And as you can see, the SSL certificate successfully updated in which domain name, prithvirajbuilders.com, for which you want to install the SSL. Okay, I hope the process is very simple to execute. Okay, then click on the OK thing, and now SSL is installed on your website for free for the next 90 days, and you can repeat the same process if you want. This is a legit way. This is no scam or fraud or anything. Nothing will go wrong here. Now I will refresh this website. Okay, so as you can see, the website is loaded with HTTP without any warning, and if I go to the home page, and it's loading perfectly fine. Okay, this is it. I hope this you found this video very useful, and you can easily install SSL for free from now onwards. And thank you so much for watching this video, and if you found this video useful, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also connect with me on social media platforms, and I will really looking forward to it. Thank you so much.